Hi guys, thanks for being here with me again today. My name's Niki. This is my art channel, Niki Art. Right, so I'm back to these Simplistic Blooms, as I'm calling them, and I'm doing primary colours today. This is Amsterdam Cyan, Atelier Brilliant Magenta. Just showing you my consistency. And this is this little Piggy TLP in Submarine. Gorgeous shimmery bright yellow. And my consistency is just leaving a trace as you drizzle into the cup. And my substrate is a MDF 13-inch round, and my base is pale grey. So the first video I'm speeding up considerably because I wasn't really that it didn't do it for me, if you know what I mean. You all know what I mean. So I'll just speed that one up, and I added it just for you to see. I just thought you might like to see. But the one I liked is coming up afterwards. So I'll put some music on and let you watch.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you feel the 7789? Tell me you do. Baby, I can wait, begin. Ooh, cuddle me, blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Cuddle me, blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh.
I'm back, guys. Fiona Art inspired me to use these colours. She's been doing some gorgeous pieces lately using just the 3 primary colours, so I thought I'd give it a go too. Yeah, so if you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. It's free. Please do. It really help me out. Thank you so much. And share with all your friends. And yeah, everybody take care. Stay safe. And hopefully I'll see you all next time. See you later. Bye.